How to fix messenger notes not showing. So if you want to fix the problem where the messenger notes are not showing, then first thing you need to do is check your internet connection, because if you don't have stable internet connection, then you won't be able to view your messenger notes or anyone's messenger notes. And after you've done that, now make sure that you have not hidden that person, because if you have hidden that person from your feed or from your messenger, then you won't be able to view that person's note. So make sure that you have not hidden them. And after that, you can open up your settings, scroll down, go for apps, and go and open up your messenger application on your settings. And here you will have storage and cache option. Tap on that and then tap on clear cache. And once you cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply uninstall and install the application once again from your Play Store. And once you've installed, you need to log into your account and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then simply restart your device. You need to hold on to your power button, and here you may have restart option. Tap on restart and restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your messenger notes not working problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.